And I think this is why, when you look at the mark, God in Revelation 14 sends an angel around the world, visible, audible, telling the world, do not take the mark. There is no turning back. There is no redemption. You will suffer eternal fire and brimstone.
And
if
you
take
believe
the
that?
mark.
You believe that's visible to people in the world?
Yes, I believe that God is sending angels to saved or unsaved. Everyone sees this angel, and the reason why is because there's no turning back. Because why? Because if you take that mark, it's now altered your genetics to make you something other than an image bearer of God.
Yes, massive. Blessed love and welcome to the channel once again. Yeah, man, I'm there for another reason, and I hope everybody I do well, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks to life and give thanks to all the things that is right and all the things that is good. See? So I want to give thanks to all of the people them who are tuning in and subscribe and all of them little things. You see it? All of them nice things. They want to give thanks to them same way. You see it? Because as usual, we not take nothing for granted. You see it? And we give thanks to every little moment where everybody spend for watch the video. Them. And I hope say they might find something worthwhile over your son. You understand? Worth your subscription same way. So you don't know. Give thanks. Yeah, man. So we just go get into the reasoning same way. You see it? Because, yeah, man. Me as a youth where more time we come across some things and we just question some things and we just talk about it same way. You see it? So we can get a wider understanding of it because we don't go on like I say, we know everything because, you understand? No one person know all things, and if we share we opinion and we views with each other and we create this community where we can learn from each other. Yeah, man, that's my objective, you see it? So this thing, you know, where me want to just have a little reasoning pan and ask some questions, and if ones and ones who have more knowledge of these things can chime in and, you understand, make we have a dialogue and make we see how much we can help each other to understand all of these things. So we are talking about when we are grow up differently still, we hear a lot of things in terms of religious beliefs and religious arguments as to what we must look out for in the end times. See? I know say enough of the viewers were tuning into the channel. You understand? We grew up in this Christian society and we hear these things and, you understand, some of we believe in these things. And some of us, we might even know more about the subject than others. So, as me say, we would just want to share our opinion and help each other to understand it. Seeing because most of our culture is influenced by, you understand, religious teachings. So you can't just walk down the road and you will hear a elderly person quote a Bible scripture to anybody, and any situation come up in a life, like any kind of events, whether natural or man-made kind of events. Somebody can quote a Bible scripture or a Bible verse and associate it with whatever event are going. See? So with that being said, see, we want to look on this thing here, what we call, or what we hear them talk about, name the mark of the beast. See? So what is this mark of the beast thing? You see it? And how does that affect the normal day-to-day, everyday people who have them business to take care of, them responsibilities to carry out, and all of these things. You have to go look your work and to take care of your family and all of these things, and how these things go affect the normal people them, the ordinary people them who, you understand, people who live in a rented houses, and you understand, people who pay mortgages and all of them things there. So we want to look back to this part. If we remember coming up to 2000, see, we used to hear people say the year 2000 was the coming of Jesus Christ, and people when I go crazy about this Y2K, millennium bug, and how the computer them when go jam and the whole world when go crash, and all of the commotion and things where people when I say. People even used to associate the mark of the beast to Pope John Paul, where them used to say Pope John Paul was the beast and all of them things. You see? But we realize time move on. The year 2000 come and pass, and people just continue living them life and just carry on. Like, you understand? The religious people, them never change the story. Them just continue, and people just move on with them life, seemingly. So before all of these things, we used to hear people say, like, before like the debit card and the credit cards became like popular amongst general public and ordinary regular people. People used to talk about the cashless system coming, and the debit cards used to be associated to the mark of the beast, given that they want to talk about people now going to be able to buy or sell, as it states in a Revelation 13 or 14, where it outline what people are talking about this mark of the beast. So we realize now, say, people now get them debit card and them credit card, and people move on with them life. Even though people used to associate that with the mark of the beast. Then after that, now we realize that people still change the argument and talk about other things what people should then see as the mark of the beast. Because me remember one time we come up seeing we up. People used to talk about the TRN. When the TRN was being introduced to the Jamaican society, people used to say the TRN is the mark of the beast or part of the mark of the beast, because without your TRN, you're not going to be able to conduct certain kind of business. See? However, I see people now who used to tell people say them things they are mark of the beast. Them people they know I drive up and down around the place, them people that own properties and all kind of things. And me know say in order to do all of them things, you need the TRN, and people seemingly just go get them TRN and just continue going about their business same way. And you understand, nobody now worry themselves or people even pay attention to this mark of the beast thing. So I reflect on the whole thing. Seeing, because as we say, we grew up in a one religious society, and religion teach we say people who accept the mark of the beast now have no lot and part with the Almighty Creator, and them are go burn in hell and all of these things where we learned from we are youth at a church. After that now, we still see people say the mark of the beast go come when people actually take a microchip in them forehead or them in them palm or whatever, you see. So me see a video I go on, seen? A video I go around with spot. This brethren, you know, him going to a supermarket and him purchase some drinks, and him now use a debit or a credit card for pay for it. Cause him have a chip implant in a hand and him use it for swipe over the scanner for pay for the drink. So make we take a look on the video here. See? Cause we hear say these things go be the mark of the beast, and you understand, we start to say these things are come out in a real life now. So
What barcode? Hold on. Wait a minute. So this man's saying that he don't got to use no credit card or nothing to pay for this water right here.
Oh, I didn't know if you needed help or anything. Bye, take care.
Oh, I got my, okay, thank you. Whoa, wait a minute.
Barcode accepted. Select payment type. Barcode accepted.
What barcode? Hold on.
so massive. Even in a Europe same way too, you have these people who, yeah, them things say the microchip is the future way to go. You see it and you understand. It go make them have so much easy access to information and them kind of things the way you probably can just download certain information in your microchip and them kind of things there. And them things say that are going to be the way going forward. See? So as I say, people used to tell we say these things are the mark of the beast, or these people who people consider religious leaders to be the beast, or political leaders, because people talk all kind of different things and them associate all kind of different people to being the beast same way. You see, because even Ronald Reagan people, you understand, because of the name him and how he name spell people say, you understand, when I say associate it to the 666 and I say him are the beast same way too. And it made me a question whether this mark of the beast is something where people should have pay attention to, or is this just a religious mumbo jumbo? You get what me I deal with? Or a something where actually they out there and it a go come in full effect, and if it a go come in full effect, how people like me and you and the ordinary man and woman in the street, how does this thing affect us? You understand? And are we prepared to resist these things? You understand? And if there's any kind of alternative lifestyle towards these things when time then go become popular. Because just as how people accept the debit and credit card them same way, you go find some people just go accept them things and just move on same way with them life same way too. You see, because them have them business to take care and them have them responsibilities to carry out same way. You see it? So my question is to the people them who more enlightened about the religious aspect of it. How does that translate to the ordinary man, and how the ordinary man go resist these things if him have him bills to pay and all of these things, and this are going to be the way how you have to carry out your business activities and, you understand, enroll in a school and all of these things. If these things become like real popular and become the norm. So people, we want to give thanks because we don't want to draw it out too long still. So people who can chime in and just make this one of them interactive videos where we can learn from each other and understand more about these things that we grow up learning or hearing about, and how it a go affect we. And if it a go affect we, and we don't want to be part or parcel with what go happen with people who accept these things, what are the alternative? And are we prepared to move on without, you understand, participating in these things as God people? You see it? So once I give thanks and much respect to the people, give thanks to the time. If you like the video, just share it with your friend them and just click the like button, click the subscription button, see a way to, and we just, you understand? Bless up for yourself until the next video. You see it? Yeah, man, give thanks and more life. Take care of the Adam self, take care of the Adam family.